Yo! Sorry! What was that, yo? Sorry, man! Rascal! I broke one of them big limb. So we don't know which one for rock.
Melissa serious, you know. Me tell them she not go reach. Lord God, roof I gone look, you know. Me never believe me say breeze could have strong so. You know how long Paulette for file for me? Me stuck out here like
Oh, lad!
To Jamaica, you don't have to go to the sea. The sea comes to you.
While the world is busy praying for Jamaica, God's protection and guidance, they are busy joking around with their lives. With the first video you just watched, you can clearly get to see how they are enjoying their lives out of this hurricane. Melissa hurricane recently hit Jamaica, and that's why we are here to understand. First time viewers and subscribers, I'm Marvin, and please and kindly feel free to hit the subscribe icon below and follow my page. You can as well share this video to family and friends so that they cannot be left behind. They also need to laugh this out. Foremost, like this video up. On today's episode, we'll focus in Jamaica, where it was hit by a massive hurricane which is famously known as the Melissa. But Jamaicans have come out strong and steadfast. They are showing the world they are not suffering. Kindly, this is not an episode to gaslight Jamaicans. It is an episode to show the whole world how Jamaicans enjoy themselves even in times of trouble. This hurricane is not something to joke around with, but Jamaicans have come out and expressed their feelings and how they appreciate and embrace this weather condition. Let's watch the following videos I've compiled of people clearly talking about how Jamaicans are reacting to this hurricane. Make sure you watch this video to the end so that we can be on the same page. Let's uplift the Jamaican people. Let's watch the following and come back.
So I get news that Jamaica is having a Category 5 hurricane right now. I'm over here worried. Here I am scrolling through TikTok and everything's just a big old game over there. At least the videos I've been seeing. I just saw one where they were on top of a hill. They were on top of the hill. They got motorcycle helmets on and they're trying to jump. Oh shit, they're trying to jump and fly and let the wind carry them into the flight. Then another one. Right, it's so crazy. He's at the shore. He's at the shore. There's a massive wave, I guess crashed on the bank or something. Water spilling all over him. He talked about some bomba cloud. Run! You're in danger. It gets better. And it's just the middle of the night. In the middle of the night, storm a brewing. I mean, it's crazy. They're sitting there having a dance party. I think some people were throwing dice. Girl throwing, shaking ass all over the ground. Get inside. I don't know. I don't know anything about hurricanes, like survival or something like that. But I already saw the Michael Jackson, What About Us? It's just like Jamaica is not real. I don't know what y'all be doing there, but I'm loving it.
Hurricane Melissa, I'm worried and stressed, girl. You got me worried and stressed. You got me looking for tickets to go to Jamaica to weather this storm with my family, and they're all cancelled. If this is the time where you guys would want to shit on me and tell me that I'm not Jamaican, it would be your chance right now, because every other Jamaican, aka my father, is not worried. I'm like asking about Gilbert. He's like, Gilbert was fine. It was fine. David, oh my God. He made a joke about like testing his hurricane proof windows, as if any window can withstand a Category 5 hurricane. He's like, I made you laugh, didn't I? Like, David, I am not, I'm stressed out, daddy. Anyways, I popped on here to say, please take this seriously, unlike my father, and get water and food. And if you can, look out for the stray animals like all over Jamaica, if you can. Poor things are gonna be out there literally by themselves. Okay, well, I am gonna be sitting here full of anxiety, praying for you guys, and I'm just hoping that Jamaica is covered by, just blessed and covered by God. And that Miss Melissa just makes a little turn. Praying for you guys.
So the fact that Jamaicans are not taking this Hurricane Melissa shit serious is funny to me. So they talking about Melissa like it's a woman. Talking about, yeah, Melissa, she come, she soon forward, Melissa soon forward. Melissa, if let them tell her, Melissa is a mad bumbleclot gal that's vexed with her Jamaican man, and that's why she'll come to Jamaica. So, cause Hurricane Melissa, she vexed your fuck. Melissa is vexed your fuck. Melissa taking her time. No, Melissa is a wicked gal. Melissa is a wicked gal. Melissa is a mad bumbleclad gal. Melissa will come to Jamaica and she'll go mash up the place. Why are y'all Jamaicans so unserious? Y'all should not be laughing about this. This is a serious matter. Melissa is not a mad gal. Melissa, somebody said Melissa is there on her cycle, no blood clots. Y'all, Jamaica, be safe. Be safe out there. This is not funny.
Baby, when it comes to unseriousness, Jamaicans got us beat. These people got a whole Category 5 hurricane out there, and they still making jokes, bro. It's all over TikTok. They are wilding out. I've been freaking out and watching all the videos because my boss over there, she's Jamaican, she went to go, over there. And I've been freaking out on for the last couple of days. And I'm like, oh my God, it's Category 5 and the news like, oh, it's the most catastrophic storm they're gonna ever. Bro, she like, I'm glad I got another week off. I got an extra week to relax. I just ain't got no lights. Like, really, dog? I've been watching the lives. I'm going to tell you one thing. Melissa or no other hurricane. It might break some other stuff, but it ain't going to break these people's spirit. I love it and I'm here for it. But be safe for all my, people in Jamaica affected by the storm.
Does Jamaica grasp the severity of the situation that they are in right now? Because why am I watching videos of them dirty whining in the streets? Why am I watching videos and I'm hearing Clarks me prefer, Clarks for the summer, Clarks for the winter? Do they? I feel like I care more about what's going on over there than them. Jamaica, y'all are stressing me out. Like, I'm trying to pray for y'all. I'm trying to pray, but God is looking at my prayers like, you gotta help. You gotta help God help you. You gotta help me help God help. Like, you gotta help. You can't be doing what you're doing. Like, oh my God.
I believe by now most of you have watched the funny videos of Jamaicans criticizing the Melissa hurricane. Which is your best video you have seen so far? But we are all impressed with Jamaicans, so that God can give them protection and guidance to overcome this horrible storm. Jamaicans are clearly sending a message to the world that they are people who can support themselves. They are people who can bring out jokes when they are in trouble. They need to look into their own lives. They need to protect their lives. But it is such a small number of people who are making jokes out of it. This episode is only to uplift the Jamaican people and uplift the Jamaican people worldwide. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Most of all, see you on the next episode where we'll continue to uplift the Jamaican people, protect them, and God will surely forsake you and you will overcome this Melissa hurricane that is destroying lives and property in Jamaica. Let me know your response on the comment section below about this. What is the best moment in these jokes that Jamaica are busy posting online? Let me know and I will reply to you. Thank you for watching and goodbye.